In this video, I'll show you how you can change your Spotify profile picture. So you cannot do this on your phone, so make sure that you're using a desktop device. Now, first of all, I want to show you that you're not able to do this on the Spotify website because right here, if I click on edit profile, you'll see that there's no way to change my profile picture. So make sure you download the Spotify app. Now you can do that by simply searching for Spotify app on Google, which I'll do right now. Spotify, oops, it's my bad, Spotify app, and then you'll pretty much be able to download it right there. So this is in Dutch, or you can just go to your app store or whatever it is on your desktop device and download Spotify Music. Once you're signed in, you can actually click on home, and then let's see, right there you'll find your account. Click on it, so click right here. Right there, you can then click on change. Click on change or remove if you want to remove it. Next up, select a picture that you would like to use. Let's say I want to use this one. You click on open, and you can then change your profile picture. Let's see if that actually works. The file might not be the correct size. Okay, so let's see if I can use this one maybe. Oh yeah, okay, so it took a while to update, but there you go. That's how you can change your Spotify profile picture. So make sure that you use the app and not the desktop version, and then you should be fine. So if this video helps you out, leave a like, and then I'll see you in the next one. Have a good day.